That's impressive for one sub in the trunk, man. Thank you for the demo, man.
I'll show you the box. I got Plexiglass in the back of the box.
Really? Okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Yeah, my name is Alex Silva. I got a 1ZB515 on the Synergy 5K. Yeah, I'm from Georgia as well.
Okay, yep, Savannah, Georgia here. Yeah. Awesome. And your trunk build, okay, you got your amp in the front. Where's your port?
That's an air port I got on the side, driver's side.
Okay.
Driver's side port.
I'll see it after. What are you wired to on this Synergy?
I think it was wired at 27. This is a 1.4 sound, so I got the parallel.
Okay. Very nice. Did you ever get it metered?
Yeah, I metered earlier. It was 149.55 at 32 of there.
Really? Close to 52. All right, awesome.
149. I don't know what it is. Did I say 149?
Yeah, 149.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Yeah, close to 150. Single sub trunk 150 is hard to get, so you're on the route.
I'll show you the box. I got Plexiglass in the back of the box.
Really? Okay. You okay, Jess?
Okay, we just had to face the other way. Then I turned it around.
Oh, so you had the sub facing this way?
Yeah.
It was louder like this?
Yeah. More on the driver's side.
Nice. And it was loudest probably when you push the box back all the way?
Yeah, all the way back.
That's a 8-inch.
Yeah, it's big ass port.
Nice. Good job. Who built it?
I built it.
Looks good.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Nice work.
Yeah, all my stuff.
Let me see the motor real quick. Looks good.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Thank you for showing me.
Yeah, man.
What's up, man? Huh?
You alright today?
Say that again?
You alright today?
Yeah, I'm just really hot. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Isle. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Alex's system, of what he has inside of his Nissan Altima. Really impressed to see how loud this single sub got in the trunk of his car. So go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about his system. I'm really impressed to see the loud of the box, how he didn't have it walled off right at the trunk line. He actually gapped it back farther, and he said it was a little bit louder. And I really like the plexiglass viewing of the box, so whenever you're at a car show and you're showcasing it, you're able to see actually the layout inside of the box, be able to see how far back that depth of that 8-inch air port actually reached. And if you look closely, you can see the subwoofer magnet is right next to the air port, so he optimized his port length and port area for this 15-inch sub in the trunk to get as loud as possible. You're going to see during the demo, actually, it seemed like the pressure was coming really well out of the port. And maybe not the most optimal design layout or box placement, but it got the job done, and it was really loud for this Nissan car. And if you notice the way the amplifier layout is, he's able to put his seats up anytime that he has people that he's driving with. He's able to still have his back seats. So putting it down is usually louder 90% of the time for trunk system. So if you're able to put your seats down in a trunk system, try to do that. You'll get louder. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
That's impressive for one sub in the trunk, man. Thank you for the demo, man. Wow.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.